In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to check personal records in Strava app. If you're looking for a quick way to see your best performances, this is all you need. Personal records in Strava highlight your top efforts, like your fastest times and longest distances, so you can track progress over time and stay motivated. Whether you run, ride, or do both, this view gives you a clean snapshot of your standout moments. Start by opening the Strava app on your phone. Give it a second to fully load so your latest activities and stats are ready. If you've recently completed a workout, Strava may still be processing the data in the background. That's normal. Once the app is open and settled, you're ready for the next move. Next, tap the profile icon at the top of the screen. It may appear as your photo or a simple silhouette, depending on your setup and theme. This takes you straight to your profile, which is your personal hub inside Strava. It's the place where your totals, recent activities, gear, and highlights come together, and most importantly for today, it's where your personal records are shown. On your profile, you'll see your personal records displayed. This section is designed to surface your best efforts at a glance. For runners, you'll typically see best times for popular distances like a mile, 5K, 10K, half marathon, and marathon, along with your longest run. For cyclists, you'll often see your longest ride, biggest climb, and other notable bests. If you use segments, you may also notice badges or indicators that reflect your fastest times on routes you frequent. These records update as you log new activities, so when you beat a previous best, Strava marks it here automatically. If you don't see many records yet, that usually means you're new to recording activities in Strava, or you haven't hit those standardized distances. Keep logging consistent workouts, and this area will fill in as you go. Also remember that GPS quality can affect results. Clean, accurate data helps Strava confirm your best efforts reliably. And if your activity just finished, give the app a moment to finish syncing before expecting new records to appear. That's it. Open the Strava app, tap the profile icon at the top, and your personal records are right there on your profile. It's a simple habit that makes tracking progress both easy and rewarding. Thanks for watching, and enjoy keeping an eye on those milestones as they roll in.